Welcome to Hiru Handmade YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful pair of earrings. I have used this kind of yarn to make this. Today I'm going to use this yarn because it's thicker and it will be easily visible for you all. And I'm going to use 1.25mm crochet hook to make this. So let's get started. First of all, take the yarn like this and make a magic circle. And now insert the hook like this. Take the other piece of yarn through that. Yarn over. Pull through the loop. Now we have completed the magic circle and we are going to work into this. We need to work 10 single crochets into this magic circle. Insert the hook into the magic circle. Yarn over. Pull through the magic circle. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have completed 1 single crochet into the magic ring. We'll do the second one. Insert the hook into the magic loop, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now you have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 single crochets. Like this we need to work another 8 single crochets to complete 10 single crochets into the magic ring. Now I have completed 10 single crochets into the magic ring. And you can pull this tail to close the magic ring. And after that we need to work into the very first single crochet we have started. Insert the hook into the very first stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Then we have to chain 2 and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, again yarn over and pull through the stitch. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Now make sure that you are working over this tail. Now you have to chain 2 and make 2 double crochets into the next stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through the stitch. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Again make the second double crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2. Again yarn over and pull through 2. Then you need to chain 2. Now this is what you have to do all around. To each one of these stitches you need to make 2 double crochets and chain 2. So complete the round and meet me back there. Now I am at the last stitch. Now I have completed 10 sets all around, and after that we need to make a slip stitch into the third chain from the starting point of this round. Now we are going to work into these chain 2 spaces. So insert the hook into the chain 2 space, yarn over and pull through the space. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Now this is a single crochet and we need to work another 1 single crochet. Then chain 2 and make another 2 single crochets into the same chain 2 space. One and 2. Then to the next chain 2 space also we are going to do the same thing. 2 single crochets, chain 2 and 2 single crochets. This is what you have to do all around. Into each one of these chain 2 spaces you need to work 2 single crochets, chain 2 and 2 single crochets. Complete the round and meet me back there. Now I have completed the round, and after that we are going to work into the chain 2 spaces, and to move the stitch into the chain 2 space we need to work slip stitch into this middle stitch, again insert the hook into the chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through the chain 2 space and pull through the loop. Now we have moved the loop into the chain 2 space. Chain 1 and insert the hook into the same chain 2 space, yarn over and pull through, again yarn over and pull through 2. Now like this we need to work another 1 single crochet, then chain 2 and work 3 single crochets into the same chain 2 space. After that we are going to work to the next chain 2 space. There you have to work 3 single crochets, chain 2 and 3 single crochets. That is going to be the pattern of this round. To each one of these chain 2 spaces you need to work 3 single crochets, chain 2 and 3 single crochets. Now I am at the end of the round. To finish the project, what you need to do is just put a slip stitch into the starting point of the round and cut the yarn off. You can subscribe to my channel to see more patterns of beautiful earrings. Now if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.